Hi, hello and what's up guys? Welcome back to PopItDk, and today we are here to discuss about the most expensive thing, which is neither gold nor diamond, it's data. It's your personal data, it's my personal data, and our data is at stake. So we are here to learn how we can recover or reclaim our personal data from all the websites which holds our data. But before going to the actual video, let me tell you that there are two bonus trick video right in front of the main trick video, so please stay tuned. I hope you will be liking it. And at the same time, let me thank Exploreit for providing me this wonderful t-shirt. So Exploreit is a website called Exploreit.com. It's a travel website which can be your one-stop solution for booking travel packages, booking hotels, and obviously cheap flights. Cheap means very, very cheap. You can compare the flight fares with other websites and you can check it yourself. So don't forget to check out Exploreit.com.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
So trick video number one is, whenever we try to visit some fishy websites, we feel that incognito browsing is the safest option because it do not store our history. But we are wrong. The history is stored, and this is how you can delete it.
To delete your incognito history, you need to come to Chrome again and search for this particular URL, and then you need to look for net space internals. So this is the particular page you need to go to. You need to click on net internals, and here there is an option called DNS. You need to select DNS and you need to clear host cache. By this, all your data are really cleared and nobody else will be able to track it now.
So trick number two will be, whenever we are done with any kind of application, what we do is we uninstall it and we feel that yeah, we are safe. The application is not getting any of our data and we are done with the application, but we are wrong. This is where the data is stored and this is what you need to do after uninstalling an application.
You need to come to settings of your mobile and come below to Google. You can find Google option, and then you need to come to this last option again, settings for Google apps, and here you will find the option called connected apps. You need to click on connected apps and make sure after uninstalling all the application, you make sure you check this section where the application name should be there. So if you find the application name, just click on the application name. Let's see, I'll be clicking here on Cred, and I'll be clicking on delete all connections you have with Cred. Make sure you make the settings to remove all the application access.
So here is the main video of how to reclaim or how to retrieve the data from the companies which hold our data. So what is the easiest way of logging into a website or to a login portal? We use Google sign in, right? Because that is a one-click solution, one-click sign in. We don't have to remember password, we don't have to create username, and we are done. But after some time we forget that we have used Google sign in this particular website, this particular date and all. But that website or that company is continuously checking our data, reading our mail. They have access to everything which we should not give. So there is a website, you can read the name here. The website called SayMine. You need to go to this website and you can reclaim all your data. Let us go to the laptop screen and see what we should do and how we should do.
So we need to search for this website called SayMine. So basically what you're doing is you are saying that hey, these data are mine. You need to click on sign in here and you need to select sign in with Google, and I'll be selecting my mail address right here. And there will be some procedure, like they will be scanning for your footprint. They are calling it as digital footprint. For me, I have already done it, and that's why it is showing this count here as 252. That means 252 company have my data and only 2 data I have reclaimed. I have been trying out this website before making this video. So here you can see in my reclaim section, I have reclaimed my data from these 2 websites and companies, whatever you call it, but that is, I'm not using them. That's why I have recalled it. I will be reviewing all these 252 websites and applications, and I'll be reclaiming my data one by one because I don't want these websites to have my data. So basically this is how you can check all the websites and the applications where you have signed in, and you can reclaim your data because it is your data and nobody else should misuse it. because it's like somebody can get your data from one place, another data from other place, and they can sum it up and can misuse it against you. So if you are not using it, reclaim it straight away. See, 2019 I have used it last, 2019 again I have used it last, so there is no point keeping my data here, right? So I can easily reclaim it. And as they are saying, this reclaim procedure generally takes 2 to 3 days. Here they have mentioned us check back in few days. After a few days we can check and we can get to know whether our reclaim process is successful or not. So it's a very good initiative by this website called Say Mine. So don't forget to check this website, because it's your data and it's your responsibility to keep it safe.
Hope you have liked this video about data privacy and data recovery. Don't forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button. Bye bye, see you and take care.